Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to send files from iPhone to Android. So sometimes if you want to send files from iPhone to another iPhone, we will use an airdrop functions to send the file. This. But if we want to send the files from iPhone to Android, this airdrop will not gonna used, or it's not gonna work, as well as the Bluetooth. It's also not gonna work. So the way we can send the files into the Android will be several way. For example, I would like to send this picture into my friends which Android. So the things that you have to do is just go click this share button, and after that you can share the documents through WhatsApp, or you can also send it through Gmail, or you can also share it through Google Drive. So the things you have to do first, if you want to send it from Google Drive, you just need to go click this Google Drive, and after that you have to make sure that the account that you log in is correct, and after that just go click upload. When it's already uploaded, now you need to open the Google Drive with account that have the same account that you used before, and find out the documents. And after you're done, you just need to go click manage and access, and after that go change from restricted with anyone with the link. And now from anyone with the link, you can change from viewer into editor. And after that, you just need to go click copy the link and send the link into your friends, and your friends will have an access to download the message or download the file on your Google Drive. So that's the way how to send file from iPhone to Android. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.